Extraterrestrial life is a fascinating topic that has captivated the imaginations of scientists and the general public alike for centuries. With advances in technology and space exploration, the search for life beyond Earth has intensified in recent years, and the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life has never been more exciting. The journey to the alien world begins with the search for habitable planets. Scientists use various techniques to detect the presence of exoplanets, including the transit method, where a planet passes in front of its host star, causing a dip in the star's brightness. Another technique is the radial velocity method, which measures the wobbling motion of a star caused by the gravitational pull of its orbiting planets. Once a potentially habitable exoplanet is discovered, the next step is to study its atmosphere for signs of life. One way to do this is through spectroscopy, which analyzes the light spectrum of a planet's atmosphere to determine the presence of certain chemicals, such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. These chemicals are considered biomarkers because they are produced by living organisms on Earth. In addition to studying exoplanets, scientists are also searching for signs of extraterrestrial life closer to home. One way they do this is by searching for extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme conditions on Earth, such as hot springs or deep-sea vents. By studying these organisms, scientists hope to better understand the potential for life in other extreme environments, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Another approach to finding extraterrestrial life is by listening for signals from intelligent civilizations in the universe. The Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence (SETI) program has been scanning the skies for radio signals for decades, hoping to detect a message from an alien civilization. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It could also provide valuable insights into the origins and evolution of life on Earth, and could even lead to the discovery of new technologies and resources. However, the journey to the alien world is not without its challenges. The vast distances involved in space travel make it difficult to explore beyond our own solar system, and the search for extraterrestrial life requires an enormous amount of resources and patience. Furthermore, the discovery of extraterrestrial life could raise ethical questions and pose potential risks to human society. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a fascinating and ongoing journey that holds great potential for discovery and knowledge. While we may never know for certain if life exists beyond Earth, the search itself is a testament to our curiosity and desire to understand the universe around us. One of the most exciting aspects of the search for extraterrestrial life is the prospect of discovering alien civilizations. While we currently have no evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth, the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of potentially habitable planets make it a possibility that cannot be ignored. If we were to discover evidence of an alien civilization, it would be one of the most important discoveries in human history, and would undoubtedly revolutionize our understanding of the universe. However, the discovery of extraterrestrial life also raises a number of ethical and philosophical questions. For example, how would we communicate with an alien civilization, and what would be the implications of doing so? Would we be able to understand their language and culture, or would we inadvertently cause harm by attempting to communicate with them? Additionally, if we were to discover a planet with primitive life forms, how would we ensure that our exploration and potential colonization would not negatively impact their development? Another challenge in the search for extraterrestrial life is the need to develop advanced technologies that can overcome the limitations of current space exploration technology. For example, our current propulsion systems are not capable of traveling the vast distances required to reach even the closest potentially habitable exoplanets. In order to explore these worlds, we will need to develop new propulsion systems, such as nuclear or antimatter engines, that can travel at much faster speeds. Despite these challenges, the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the most exciting and important endeavors in science. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, and inspires us to think about our place in the universe in new and profound ways. Whether or not we ever discover extraterrestrial life, the journey itself is a testament to our curiosity and drive to explore and discover the unknown. Another area of research in the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of biosignatures, which are signs of life that can be detected remotely. These can include the presence of certain gases in a planet's atmosphere, the color and reflectivity of its surface, or the presence of organic molecules. One promising technique for detecting biosignatures is the use of telescopes that can detect the polarization of light. This technique is based on the fact that light becomes polarized when it interacts with certain materials, such as organic molecules or water. By studying the polarization of light from a planet, scientists may be able to detect the presence of life. Another approach to detecting biosignatures is through the study of exomoons, which are moons that orbit exoplanets. Exomoons could potentially provide a more stable environment for life than exoplanets, and could also produce detectable biosignatures through their interactions with their host planets. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor, but also a cultural and philosophical one. The idea of life beyond Earth has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and filmmakers for centuries, and has played a significant role in shaping our cultural identity. The search for extraterrestrial life forces us to confront some of the biggest questions about our place in the universe, such as whether we are alone, and what our relationship is to other forms of life. In addition, the search for extraterrestrial life has practical applications for our own planet. By studying extremophiles and other organisms that can survive in extreme environments, we can gain insights into how life adapts and evolves, and develop new technologies and strategies for dealing with environmental challenges on Earth. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life is an ongoing and exciting journey that continues to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. While there are many challenges and uncertainties involved, the potential rewards are enormous, and the search itself is a testament to our human curiosity and desire to explore and discover the unknown. The search for extraterrestrial life also has implications for the future of space exploration and colonization. If we were to discover habitable planets or moons with signs of life, we would need to carefully consider how our exploration and potential colonization could impact those ecosystems. This could involve developing protocols and guidelines for protecting alien ecosystems, and ensuring that our presence does not lead to the extinction of any native life forms. It could also require us to rethink our approaches to terraforming and colonizing other planets, and to consider the ethical implications of transforming alien worlds to suit our own needs. In addition, the discovery of extraterrestrial life could have profound philosophical and religious implications. It could challenge our assumptions about the uniqueness and specialness of life on Earth, and force us to confront questions about the nature of consciousness, intelligence, and the origins of life. Finally, the search for extraterrestrial life also has practical applications for our ongoing efforts to understand and protect our own planet. By studying the conditions necessary for life to thrive, we can gain insights into the ways in which our own planet functions, and develop new strategies for addressing environmental challenges such as climate change and biodiversity loss. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a multifaceted and fascinating field of inquiry that has far-reaching implications for science, culture, and society. While there are many challenges and uncertainties involved, the potential rewards are enormous, and the journey itself is a testament to our human spirit of exploration and discovery. Whether or not we ever discover extraterrestrial life, the search itself is a deeply meaningful and transformative endeavor that has the power to inspire us and expand our horizons. One of the most exciting developments in the search for extraterrestrial life is the recent discovery of thousands of exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system. Thanks to advances in telescopes and observational techniques, scientists have been able to detect the presence of these planets and study their characteristics, including their size, composition, and distance from their host stars. One particularly exciting area of research is the search for exoplanets that are in the habitable zone, which is the region around a star where liquid water can exist on the surface of a planet. This is considered a key requirement for life as we know it, and the discovery of such planets has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the likelihood of life beyond Earth. In addition to the search for exoplanets, scientists are also studying our own solar system for signs of extraterrestrial life. This includes ongoing missions to Mars and other planets and moons in our solar system, as well as the search for microbial life in extreme environments on Earth. One particularly promising approach is the study of extremophiles, which are organisms that can survive in extreme environments such as hot springs, deep-sea hydrothermal vents, and even nuclear reactors. By studying these organisms, scientists hope to gain insights into how life can adapt and thrive in extreme conditions, and apply this knowledge to the search for extraterrestrial life. Another exciting development in the search for extraterrestrial life is the emergence of citizen science initiatives and crowdsourcing efforts. These projects allow members of the public to contribute to scientific research by analyzing data from telescopes and other instruments, and have already yielded important discoveries in the search for exoplanets and other phenomena. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field of inquiry that is pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. While there are many challenges and uncertainties involved, the potential rewards are enormous, and the search itself is a testament to our human curiosity and desire to explore and discover the unknown. One of the key challenges in the search for extraterrestrial life is the identification of potential biosignatures, or signs of life that can be detected from a distance. This could include the detection of atmospheric gases such as oxygen or methane, which are produced by living organisms on Earth, but could also have non-biological sources on other planets. To address this challenge, scientists are developing new instruments and observational techniques that can detect and analyze the composition of planetary atmospheres. This includes the use of space-based telescopes such as the James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to launch in 2021, as well as ground-based telescopes and other observatories. Another challenge is the development of new technologies and strategies for exploring and studying potential habitats for extraterrestrial life. This could involve the use of robotic missions to explore the surfaces of planets and moons, or the deployment of subsurface probes to study the potential for life in subsurface oceans or other environments. In addition, the search for extraterrestrial life has important implications for our understanding of the origins and evolution of life on Earth. By studying the conditions necessary for life to exist and thrive, scientists can gain insights into the processes that led to the emergence of life on our own planet, and shed light on the fundamental questions of how life arises and evolves in the universe. Finally, the search for extraterrestrial life has the potential to inspire and engage the public in science and exploration, and to promote a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the universe. By encouraging curiosity and exploration, and fostering a sense of awe and wonder at the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, the search for extraterrestrial life can help to inspire future generations of scientists and explorers, and to promote a greater appreciation for the importance of science and technology in our world. Another area of research in the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of SETI, or the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. This involves the use of radio telescopes and other instruments to search for signals from other civilizations in the universe. While the search for intelligent life is more speculative than the search for microbial or primitive life, it has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike, and has inspired numerous science fiction stories and movies. In recent years, the study of SETI has become more sophisticated, with new techniques and strategies for analyzing and interpreting potential signals. This includes the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms to sift through large volumes of data, and the development of new protocols and standards for identifying and verifying potential signals. Another exciting area of research is the study of exomoons, or moons orbiting planets outside our solar system. These moons could potentially provide habitable environments for life, and could also play a role in the evolution of complex ecosystems. The study of exomoons is challenging, however, as they are much smaller and harder to detect than planets. Nevertheless, new observational techniques and theoretical models are being developed to better understand the potential for life on exomoons, and to search for signs of their existence. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a multifaceted and complex endeavor that touches on some of the most profound and fundamental questions of human existence. While there are many challenges and uncertainties involved, the potential rewards are enormous, and the search itself is a testament to our human curiosity, imagination, and desire to explore the unknown. As we continue to search for extraterrestrial life, we must also grapple with the ethical and philosophical implications of our actions, and consider the potential impact of our discoveries on ourselves and on the universe as a whole. One of the most exciting developments in the search for extraterrestrial life is the growing field of astrobiology, which seeks to understand the origin and evolution of life on Earth and its potential existence elsewhere in the universe. This interdisciplinary field combines insights from biology, astronomy, geology, chemistry, and other disciplines, and seeks to develop a holistic understanding of the conditions necessary for life to exist. Astrobiology also involves the development of new technologies and techniques for detecting and characterizing biosignatures, which are chemical or physical indicators of the presence of life. These biosignatures can take many forms, including the presence of certain molecules or isotopes, the detection of specific environmental conditions, or the observation of biological structures or processes. One of the most promising techniques for detecting biosignatures is the study of exoplanet atmospheres, which involves analyzing the light that passes through or is emitted by the atmosphere of a distant planet. By studying the spectral signatures of this light, scientists can identify the chemical composition of the atmosphere and look for signs of biological activity. Another promising technique is the study of extremophiles, which are organisms that can survive and thrive in extreme environments on Earth, such as deep-sea vents, polar regions, or acidic lakes. By studying these organisms, scientists can gain insights into the potential for life to exist in other extreme environments and develop new methods for detecting and characterizing life in these environments. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life is a collaborative and interdisciplinary endeavor that involves scientists and researchers from around the world. By working together and sharing insights and resources, we can continue to push the boundaries of what we know about the universe and the potential for life to exist elsewhere. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life can also serve as a unifying force, bringing people together from different cultures, backgrounds, and perspectives to explore the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. In this sense, the search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor, but a deeply human one, driven by our innate curiosity, wonder, and desire to understand the world around us. Another exciting aspect of the search for extraterrestrial life is the potential for discovering new forms of life that challenge our current understanding of what life is and how it functions. While life on Earth is based on carbon chemistry and relies on liquid water, it is possible that life could exist elsewhere in the universe using different chemical elements or solvents. For example, some scientists have proposed that life could exist in the subsurface oceans of icy moons such as Europa or Enceladus, which are believed to contain vast amounts of liquid water. These environments are extremely cold and dark, but they also contain a variety of chemical compounds that could provide the necessary energy and building blocks for life. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a dynamic and exciting field of research that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. While there are many challenges and uncertainties involved, the potential rewards are enormous, and the search itself is a testament to our human curiosity and desire to explore and discover the unknown. Whether or not we ever discover extraterrestrial life, the search itself is a deeply meaningful and transformative endeavor that has the power to inspire us and expand our horizons. One of the most fascinating aspects of the search for extraterrestrial life is the philosophical and existential questions it raises. If we were to discover extraterrestrial life, what would it mean for our understanding of our place in the universe? How would it impact our religious and philosophical beliefs? Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life raises questions about the nature of life itself, and what it means to be alive. Is life a universal phenomenon that arises wherever conditions are right, or is it a rare and precious occurrence that only happens under very specific circumstances? What defines life, and how can we recognize it in other forms? These questions touch on some of the deepest and most fundamental aspects of human experience, and they remind us of the profound mystery and wonder of the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens, it is about exploring the mysteries of life and existence itself, and it invites us to contemplate the beauty and complexity of the cosmos in a way that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. At the same time, the search for extraterrestrial life has practical implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. By studying the conditions necessary for life to exist, and by searching for biosignatures and other signs of life on other planets and moons, we can gain insights into the processes that shape the universe, and into the potential for life to exist elsewhere. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life is a reflection of our innate curiosity and desire to explore and understand the world around us. Whether we discover extraterrestrial life or not, the search itself is a testament to the power of human curiosity and imagination, and to our ongoing quest to unlock the secrets of the universe. Another important aspect of the search for extraterrestrial life is the ethical considerations that arise from the potential discovery of other intelligent beings. How would we communicate with them? What are the ethical implications of making contact with an alien civilization, and what responsibility do we have to ensure their well-being and respect their autonomy? These questions are especially relevant as we continue to develop new technologies that could enable us to explore and communicate with other worlds. As we expand our reach into the cosmos, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of our actions and decisions, and consider the potential impact of our interactions with other forms of life. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life has important implications for our understanding of the universe as a whole, and for our place within it. If we were to discover other intelligent beings, how would that change our understanding of the cosmos, and of ourselves? What would it mean for our sense of purpose and meaning in life? These questions are not easy to answer, and they remind us of the vastness and complexity of the universe, and of our limited understanding of it. Yet, the search for extraterrestrial life also offers a glimpse into the limitless potential of human imagination and exploration, and reminds us of the importance of continuing to push the boundaries of what we know and what we can discover. One of the major challenges in the search for extraterrestrial life is the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of potentially habitable exoplanets that must be explored. To overcome this challenge, scientists are developing new technologies and methods for detecting and studying exoplanets and their potential biosignatures. For example, the James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, is expected to revolutionize our understanding of exoplanets and their potential for supporting life. By studying the atmospheres of exoplanets with unprecedented precision and sensitivity, the telescope could provide valuable data on the chemical compositions and conditions necessary for life to arise and survive. Other technologies currently under development include advanced spectroscopy methods for detecting biomarkers and other signs of life on exoplanets, as well as new spacecraft and robotic systems for exploring the surfaces and subsurface environments of other planets and moons. In addition to technological advancements, the search for extraterrestrial life also requires international collaboration and coordination, as well as a strong commitment to funding and support for scientific research and exploration. Many countries around the world are investing in space exploration and astrobiology research, recognizing the potential benefits of this field for advancing scientific knowledge, stimulating innovation, and promoting international cooperation and collaboration. Despite the challenges and uncertainties that lie ahead, the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the most exciting and fascinating scientific endeavors of our time. It offers the potential for groundbreaking discoveries, new insights into the nature and origins of life, and profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we continue to explore the cosmos and search for signs of life beyond our planet, we are driven by a sense of curiosity, wonder, and a deep appreciation for the mysteries and possibilities of the universe. Another important aspect of the search for extraterrestrial life is the ethical considerations that arise from the potential discovery of life beyond Earth. For example, if we were to discover intelligent extraterrestrial life, it could raise questions about our relationship to these beings and our responsibilities to protect them from harm or exploitation. Additionally, the discovery of extraterrestrial life could have profound religious and philosophical implications, challenging long-held beliefs about the nature of life, the origins of humanity, and the place of humanity within the universe. As we continue our search for extraterrestrial life, it is important to consider these ethical and philosophical questions and to engage in open and honest dialogue about the potential implications of such a discovery. By doing so, we can ensure that our exploration of the universe is guided by a strong sense of responsibility and respect for all forms of life, both on Earth and beyond. Furthermore, the search for extraterrestrial life can also have practical applications in our own efforts to understand and protect the environment on Earth. By studying the conditions necessary for life to thrive on other planets, we can gain insights into the complex interactions between living organisms and their environments, and the delicate balance that must be maintained for life to exist. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life offers a unique and exciting opportunity to explore the mysteries of the universe, to expand our knowledge and understanding of the nature of life, and to foster a sense of curiosity, wonder, and awe for the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. By continuing to invest in this field of research, we can unlock new insights and possibilities that will benefit humanity for generations to come. The search for extraterrestrial life is not only an exciting scientific endeavor but also an important social and cultural phenomenon. The idea of life beyond Earth has captured the imaginations of people for centuries, inspiring countless works of science fiction and fueling our curiosity and wonder about the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life also has the potential to inspire and engage future generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers, fostering a sense of curiosity and passion for science and discovery. It can also serve as a catalyst for international collaboration and cooperation, bringing people together from different cultures and backgrounds to work towards a common goal. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life can provide new perspectives on our place in the universe and our relationship to the environment on Earth. It can help us appreciate the delicate balance that must be maintained for life to exist and thrive, and inspire us to take action to protect and preserve the natural world. As we continue our search for extraterrestrial life, it is important to approach this endeavor with an open mind and a sense of humility, recognizing the limitations of our current knowledge and technology, and embracing the uncertainty and potential for surprise that lies ahead. At the same time, we must also recognize the importance of responsible and ethical exploration, ensuring that our efforts to discover and study extraterrestrial life are guided by principles of respect, responsibility, and stewardship. By doing so, we can unlock the potential of the universe and the wonders it holds, while also working to promote a more just, equitable, and sustainable future for all. One exciting possibility in the search for extraterrestrial life is the discovery of microbial life on other planets or moons within our own solar system. In recent years, scientists have found evidence of subsurface oceans on moons such as Europa and Enceladus, which could potentially harbor life. Furthermore, the recent discovery of phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus has raised the possibility of microbial life existing in the planet's clouds. This discovery has spurred renewed interest in Venus as a potential location for further exploration and study. Another area of interest in the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our own solar system. Advances in telescope technology have allowed scientists to detect and study the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for signs of organic molecules or other indicators of the presence of life. As our knowledge and technology continue to improve, it is likely that we will discover even more exciting and unexpected possibilities for life beyond Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life is a fascinating and ongoing journey of discovery, one that holds the potential to fundamentally transform our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life is not just about the discovery of other forms of life, but also about our own quest for meaning and purpose in the universe. It is a reminder of the profound interconnectedness of all things, and the infinite possibilities that exist in the vast expanse of space. As we continue our journey to the alien world, let us approach it with a spirit of curiosity, wonder, and respect, recognizing the potential for discovery and transformation that lies ahead. One important consideration in the search for extraterrestrial life is the potential impact of our discoveries on our own society and culture. The discovery of even microbial life on another planet or moon would be a major scientific breakthrough, with far-reaching implications for our understanding of biology, evolution, and the nature of life itself. However, such a discovery would also challenge many of our deeply held beliefs and assumptions about our place in the universe and our relationship to other forms of life. It would force us to confront difficult questions about the uniqueness of Earth and the nature of consciousness and intelligence. The discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life, in particular, would have profound social and cultural implications, potentially transforming our understanding of humanity and our place in the universe. It could also raise important ethical and philosophical questions about our responsibility towards other forms of life and our obligations as a technologically advanced civilization. Given the potential impact of our discoveries, it is important to approach the search for extraterrestrial life with a sense of responsibility and mindfulness. We must consider the potential implications of our discoveries and work to ensure that they are shared in a thoughtful and respectful way. At the same time, we must also recognize the importance of scientific curiosity and exploration, and the potential for discovery and transformation that lies ahead. As we continue our search for extraterrestrial life, let us do so with a sense of wonder, respect, and responsibility, working to unlock the mysteries of the universe while also fostering a more thoughtful and compassionate society. Another aspect of the search for extraterrestrial life that is worth considering is the potential impact it could have on our technological development. The discovery of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations could provide us with valuable insights and knowledge that could help us to overcome some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, energy production, and space exploration. Furthermore, the development of technologies that would enable us to communicate with extraterrestrial civilizations could have far-reaching implications for our understanding of communication, language, and consciousness. It could also spur new innovations in fields such as computer science, artificial intelligence, and robotics. However, it is important to recognize that the search for extraterrestrial life is not solely about technological development or scientific breakthroughs. It is also about our place in the universe and our relationship to other forms of life. As we continue our search, we must approach it with a sense of humility and respect, recognizing that we are just one small part of a vast and interconnected ecosystem. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life is about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It is about exploring the mysteries of existence and unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. It is a journey of discovery and exploration that holds the potential to transform our understanding of the world and ourselves. One of the challenges of the search for extraterrestrial life is that we have only a limited understanding of what life actually is and what forms it can take. While we know that life on Earth is based on carbon, water, and certain essential elements, we cannot rule out the possibility that life on other planets could be based on entirely different biochemistry. This means that the search for extraterrestrial life must be approached with an open mind and a willingness to consider a wide range of possibilities. It requires us to think creatively and to develop new methods and tools for detecting and analyzing potential signs of life in other parts of the universe. Fortunately, recent advances in fields such as astrobiology, exoplanet research, and astrochemistry have provided us with a wealth of new data and insights that can help guide our search for extraterrestrial life. For example, the discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zone of their stars has opened up new possibilities for finding Earth-like worlds that could potentially support life. Similarly, new methods for analyzing the chemical signatures of distant planets and moons have allowed us to detect potential signs of life, such as the presence of organic molecules or atmospheric gases that could be produced by biological processes. Despite the many challenges and uncertainties of the search for extraterrestrial life, it remains one of the most exciting and important scientific endeavors of our time. It holds the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it, while also inspiring us to think more deeply about the nature of life, consciousness, and the mysteries of existence. Another aspect to consider in the search for extraterrestrial life is the ethical implications of potential discovery. If we were to make contact with an extraterrestrial civilization, how would we approach communication and interaction? What ethical considerations should guide our behavior and decision-making? These are complex questions that require careful thought and consideration. We would need to approach any potential communication or interaction with humility, respect, and a willingness to learn. It is also important to consider the potential impact of such a discovery on our own society and culture. The discovery of extraterrestrial life could have profound implications for our worldview and our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It could challenge our existing beliefs and assumptions, and force us to rethink our values and priorities. It could also raise questions about our responsibility to protect and preserve other forms of life in the universe. In addition to these ethical considerations, the search for extraterrestrial life also has important implications for international cooperation and collaboration. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would be a global endeavor that would require the cooperation of scientists, governments, and organizations from around the world. Fortunately, there is already a strong international community of researchers and organizations working together to advance our understanding of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. Initiatives such as the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, and the Breakthrough Initiatives are bringing together scientists, engineers, and technologists from across the globe to tackle some of the biggest questions in astrobiology and exoplanet research. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a complex and multifaceted endeavor that requires us to think deeply about our place in the universe, our relationship to other forms of life, and our ethical responsibilities as a global community. While there are many challenges and uncertainties in this quest, it is also one of the most exciting and important scientific pursuits of our time. Another important aspect to consider in the search for extraterrestrial life is the potential impact of technology on our ability to detect and communicate with alien civilizations. As our technology continues to advance, we are developing new and more sophisticated tools and methods for detecting and analyzing potential signs of extraterrestrial life. For example, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms is revolutionizing our ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data from telescopes, satellites, and other sources. These tools are helping us to identify potential targets for further investigation and to develop more precise and efficient methods for detecting and analyzing potential signs of life. Similarly, advances in space exploration technology are providing us with new opportunities to explore the universe and search for extraterrestrial life. Missions such as the Mars 2020 rover and the upcoming Europa Clipper mission are helping us to explore other worlds and to gather data that could provide valuable insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. At the same time, the development of new communication technologies is also opening up new possibilities for communicating with potential extraterrestrial civilizations. Projects such as METI, Messaging Extraterrestrial Intelligence, are exploring the use of powerful radio telescopes to send messages to other civilizations in the hopes of initiating communication and establishing contact. While these technological advancements offer exciting new opportunities for the search for extraterrestrial life, they also raise important ethical questions about how we should use and manage these tools. We must consider the potential risks and consequences of communicating with alien civilizations, as well as the potential impact of our actions on other forms of life in the universe. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a rapidly evolving field that requires us to stay at the forefront of technological development and to approach the search with an open mind and a willingness to consider new possibilities. As our understanding of the universe continues to expand, we are sure to make exciting new discoveries and to push the boundaries of our knowledge about life and the cosmos. One of the challenges in the search for extraterrestrial life is the need to take into account the vast distances between stars and planets in the universe. The nearest star system to our own, Alpha Centauri, is over 4 light-years away, which means that even if we were able to detect signs of life on a planet in that system, it would take over 4 years for any communication or interaction to occur. To overcome this challenge, scientists are exploring new concepts such as interstellar travel and communication, which would require new technologies and approaches that are currently beyond our capabilities. Some proposed methods for interstellar travel include using fusion propulsion, antimatter engines, and even the manipulation of spacetime itself through wormholes or other means. Similarly, new concepts for interstellar communication are being explored, such as the use of laser beams, neutrinos, or other forms of radiation that could travel over vast distances without being significantly degraded. These technologies could potentially allow us to send messages or signals across the galaxy, opening up new possibilities for discovering and communicating with extraterrestrial civilizations. Another area of exploration in the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of extremophiles, organisms that are able to survive and thrive in extreme environments that were previously thought to be uninhabitable. By studying these organisms, scientists hope to gain insight into the potential for life to exist in extreme environments on other planets or moons. For example, the discovery of liquid water on Jupiter's moon Europa has raised the possibility that life could exist in the subsurface oceans that are believed to exist beneath its icy crust. Similarly, the discovery of methane on Mars has led to speculation about the potential for microbial life to exist beneath the planet's surface. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a challenging and exciting field that requires us to stay at the forefront of scientific discovery and technological development. As we continue to explore the universe and expand our understanding of the potential for life beyond Earth, we are sure to make new discoveries and push the boundaries of our knowledge about the cosmos. One of the challenges in the search for extraterrestrial life is the need to define what constitutes life in the first place. While we are familiar with life as it exists on Earth, it is possible that life elsewhere in the universe could be very different from what we are accustomed to. For example, life may be based on different chemical elements, have a different biochemistry, or exist in environments that are vastly different from those on Earth. To help us identify potential signs of life on other planets, scientists are developing new methods and technologies for detecting biosignatures, which are chemical or physical features that indicate the presence of life. These could include the detection of specific molecules, such as oxygen or methane, that are associated with living organisms, or the presence of certain isotopes that are indicative of biological processes. In addition to the technological challenges, there are also ethical and philosophical questions that arise in the search for extraterrestrial life. For example, if we were to discover intelligent alien life, how would we communicate with them, and what would be the implications of such a discovery for our own understanding of the universe and our place within it? Moreover, the potential for discovering extraterrestrial life raises questions about our responsibility as caretakers of the planet and our role in protecting any life we may discover elsewhere in the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and search for signs of life beyond Earth, it is important to consider the ethical and moral implications of our discoveries and ensure that our actions are guided by a sense of responsibility and respect for all forms of life. Another important aspect to consider in the search for extraterrestrial life is the impact that such a discovery could have on society as a whole. The discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth could have profound implications for our understanding of ourselves, our place in the universe, and our relationship with other living beings. Some people may find the idea of extraterrestrial life exciting and inspiring, while others may find it unsettling or even threatening. It is important for scientists and policymakers to take into account the potential psychological and cultural impacts of a discovery of this magnitude and to develop appropriate strategies for communicating and educating the public about the implications of such a discovery. In addition, the search for extraterrestrial life has the potential to inspire new generations of scientists and engineers and to drive innovation in a wide range of fields, from astronomy and astrobiology to space exploration and technology development. By investing in research and development in these areas, we can not only increase our chances of discovering life elsewhere in the universe but also drive progress and innovation in many other fields. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life is about more than just finding other forms of life in the universe. It is about exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and achievement. Whether or not we ever find evidence of extraterrestrial life, the journey itself is one that is worth undertaking, as it challenges us to explore new frontiers and to expand our horizons in ways that can benefit all of humanity. In addition, the search for extraterrestrial life has the potential to inspire new generations of scientists and engineers and to drive innovation in a wide range of fields, from astronomy and astrobiology to space exploration and technology development. By investing in research and development in these areas, we can not only increase our chances of discovering life elsewhere in the universe but also drive progress and innovation in many other fields. Ultimately, the search for extraterrestrial life is about more than just finding other forms of life in the universe. It is about exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and achievement. Whether or not we ever find evidence of extraterrestrial life, the journey itself is one that is worth undertaking, as it challenges us to explore new frontiers and to expand our horizons in ways that can benefit all of humanity. One promising approach in the search for extraterrestrial life is to focus on exoplanets, which are planets orbiting stars other than our own Sun. In recent years, advances in telescopes and observational techniques have allowed scientists to detect thousands of exoplanets, many of which are in the so-called habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions may be suitable for liquid water to exist on the surface. By studying the atmospheres of these exoplanets, scientists can look for signs of gases such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, which could potentially indicate the presence of life. This approach, known as biosignature detection, relies on the assumption that life on other planets may produce gases or other substances that are detectable from Earth. While biosignature detection is still in its early stages, it represents a promising avenue for detecting extraterrestrial life and understanding the potential habitability of exoplanets. In addition, ongoing missions such as NASA's Kepler and TESS telescopes are continuing to discover new exoplanets, expanding our knowledge of the diversity of planetary systems and increasing our chances of finding a truly habitable world. Another important consideration in the search for extraterrestrial life is the concept of technosignatures, signals or signatures that could indicate the presence of advanced technological civilizations beyond Earth. These could include radio signals, laser beams, or other forms of electromagnetic radiation that are not naturally occurring. While the search for technosignatures is still in its early stages, it represents an exciting new frontier in the search for extraterrestrial life. By looking for signs of technological activity beyond Earth, we can gain insights into the potential diversity of intelligent life in the universe and the possible ways in which advanced civilizations might communicate or interact with one another. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life is a challenging but rewarding endeavor that requires a multidisciplinary approach and a deep sense of curiosity and wonder about the mysteries of the cosmos. Whether we find evidence of life beyond Earth or not, the journey itself is one that expands our horizons, inspires new generations of scientists and explorers, and helps us to understand our place in the universe. One of the challenges in the search for extraterrestrial life is the sheer vastness of the universe. The distances between stars and planets are immense, and even with the most advanced technologies available, it may be difficult to detect life on distant worlds. Another challenge is the fact that we have a limited understanding of what life on other planets might look like. All life on Earth is based on the same fundamental biochemistry, but it is possible that life on other planets could be based on different chemical systems or use alternative sources of energy. Despite these challenges, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to capture the imagination of scientists and the general public alike. The possibility of discovering life beyond Earth holds profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life has important practical implications for the future of human space exploration. If we discover habitable worlds or signs of extraterrestrial life, it could provide a roadmap for future missions to explore these worlds and search for signs of life. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life represents one of the most exciting and important scientific endeavors of our time. Whether we find life beyond Earth or not, the journey itself is one that expands our knowledge of the cosmos and inspires us to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe. Another important aspect of the search for extraterrestrial life is the ethical considerations surrounding the discovery of alien life. If we were to discover intelligent life beyond Earth, it would raise important questions about our responsibility as a species and our obligations to protect and respect the rights of other forms of life. For example, if we were to discover intelligent life on another planet, how should we communicate with them? What ethical considerations should we take into account in our interactions with them? And what are the potential risks and benefits of making contact with an alien civilization? These are complex questions that require careful consideration and reflection, and they highlight the need for interdisciplinary collaboration and dialogue between scientists, policymakers, and ethicists. Moreover, the search for extraterrestrial life also has important implications for the future of our planet. By studying the conditions that give rise to life on other planets, we can gain a better understanding of the factors that are essential for life to exist, and we can develop a greater appreciation for the fragility and uniqueness of our own planet. This awareness could inspire us to take better care of our planet and to adopt more sustainable practices that promote the long-term health and well-being of all forms of life on Earth. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a complex and multifaceted endeavor that raises important questions about our place in the universe and our responsibility to protect and respect other forms of life. While we may not find conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life in our lifetimes, the journey itself is one that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and inspires us to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. Another aspect of the search for extraterrestrial life is the technological advancements that can be made through this pursuit. The quest to find and study life beyond Earth requires the development of cutting-edge technologies in fields such as astrophysics, astrobiology, and exoplanetology. These technologies have practical applications that go beyond the search for extraterrestrial life. For example, the development of new telescopes and sensors capable of detecting exoplanets and signs of life on other worlds can also be used for astronomical research and to study our own planet. Furthermore, the development of new propulsion technologies and exploration techniques needed for interstellar travel may have significant implications for the future of human space exploration and colonization. The search for extraterrestrial life also has the potential to inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. The excitement and mystery surrounding the possibility of discovering life beyond Earth can inspire young people to pursue careers in STEM fields and to make new discoveries and advancements that benefit all of humanity. In addition, the search for extraterrestrial life has the potential to foster international collaboration and cooperation. The quest to find and study life beyond Earth requires the pooling of resources and expertise from scientists and organizations around the world, and this collaboration can serve as a model for working together on other important global issues. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a multidimensional pursuit that has the potential to bring about significant technological, scientific, and cultural advancements. While the discovery of extraterrestrial life may be elusive, the journey itself is one that broadens our understanding of the universe and our place in it, and inspires us to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. One of the key challenges in the search for extraterrestrial life is the distance between us and any potential alien civilizations. The vast distances between stars and planets make it incredibly difficult to detect and study life beyond our solar system. To address this challenge, scientists have developed a range of innovative techniques and technologies to help us detect signs of life on exoplanets. These techniques include the use of space-based telescopes and ground-based observatories to search for atmospheric biosignatures, such as the presence of oxygen or methane, which could indicate the presence of life. Another approach is to search for signs of technological civilizations, such as radio signals or other forms of communication. These efforts have led to the development of initiatives such as the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence (SETI) program, which seeks to detect signals from intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. Despite the challenges involved in the search for extraterrestrial life, recent advancements in technology and our understanding of the universe have made this pursuit more promising than ever before. With the discovery of thousands of exoplanets in recent years, many of which are located within the habitable zone of their stars, the possibility of finding life beyond Earth has become increasingly real. Moreover, the recent discovery of liquid water on Mars, Enceladus, and other celestial bodies in our solar system has renewed our hopes of finding life closer to home. Future missions to these worlds, such as NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission, will help us better understand the potential for life in our own cosmic backyard. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is a daunting and complex endeavor, but one that offers tremendous scientific, technological, and cultural rewards. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we are opening up new horizons and expanding our understanding of the cosmos and our place in it. One of the most exciting aspects of the search for extraterrestrial life is the potential for discovering new forms of life that may be vastly different from anything we have encountered on Earth. While all known life on our planet is based on carbon chemistry, there may be other forms of life that use different building blocks, such as silicon, or that are able to survive in extreme environments that would be lethal to us. Such discoveries would not only expand our understanding of the diversity of life in the universe, but could also have profound implications for fields such as medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. For example, new forms of extremophile organisms that thrive in extreme environments such as hot springs or deep-sea hydrothermal vents could inspire new technologies for harnessing energy or cleaning up environmental pollutants. Moreover, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would have profound philosophical and cultural implications, challenging our fundamental beliefs about the uniqueness of life on Earth and our place in the universe. It would also raise questions about the ethical implications of contacting or interacting with alien civilizations, and how we should approach the possibility of sharing our planet and our resources with other intelligent beings. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life is a fascinating and important pursuit that touches on many areas of science and culture. While we may not find definitive answers anytime soon, our ongoing efforts to explore and understand the universe are helping us to broaden our horizons and deepen our appreciation of the complexity and wonder of the cosmos. In recent years, the search for extraterrestrial life has been revolutionized by advances in technology, such as the Kepler mission, which has discovered thousands of exoplanets in the habitable zones of their stars. This has greatly expanded the pool of potentially habitable worlds that we can study and explore for signs of life. In addition, the development of new telescopes and observatories, such as the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, promises to provide even more powerful tools for detecting and analyzing the atmospheres and environments of distant exoplanets. This will help us to better understand the conditions necessary for life to emerge and thrive, and to identify potential targets for future missions to study these worlds in more detail. Meanwhile, efforts to explore our own solar system continue to yield tantalizing clues about the potential for life beyond Earth. For example, recent discoveries of liquid water on Mars and beneath the icy crusts of moons such as Europa and Enceladus suggest that these worlds may harbor environments that could support microbial life. Despite these exciting developments, the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the greatest scientific mysteries of our time. Whether we find evidence of life elsewhere in the universe or not, the pursuit of this question is driving us to explore the limits of our knowledge and understanding, and inspiring new generations of scientists and explorers to push the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. Another exciting area of research in the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of biosignatures, chemical or physical markers that could indicate the presence of life on a planet or moon. These could include things like the presence of oxygen or methane in an exoplanet's atmosphere, or the detection of complex organic molecules on the surface of a planet or in the plumes of an icy moon. One challenge in identifying biosignatures is distinguishing between signs of life and natural processes that can produce similar signals. For example, the production of methane on a planet could be a byproduct of life, but it could also be generated by geological processes. This is why it is important to study multiple lines of evidence and to consider the context and environment of a planet or moon when interpreting potential biosignatures. Another important consideration in the search for extraterrestrial life is the concept of habitability. While a planet may be located in the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures are moderate enough to allow for liquid water, there are many other factors that can influence whether a planet can support life. These include things like the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and geological activity, all of which can impact the planet's ability to maintain a stable and habitable environment over long periods of time. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life is a complex and multidisciplinary pursuit that involves the efforts of scientists and engineers from a wide range of fields. It requires a combination of theoretical modeling, astronomical observations, and space missions to explore and understand the environments and conditions of other worlds. While there are still many questions to be answered and challenges to be overcome, the search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the most exciting and inspiring scientific endeavors of our time. One exciting development in the search for extraterrestrial life is the discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets around other stars. Since the first exoplanet was discovered in 1995, astronomers have detected thousands of planets orbiting other stars, and a growing number of these planets are located within the habitable zone of their star. While we still don't know if any of these planets harbor life, the discovery of so many potentially habitable worlds has increased the likelihood that life may exist elsewhere in the universe. In addition to exoplanets, the search for extraterrestrial life also involves the study of our own solar system. For example, NASA's Mars missions have uncovered evidence that the planet may have had liquid water on its surface in the past, and recent discoveries of organic molecules on the planet have raised hopes that Mars may have the potential to support life. Other potentially habitable worlds in our own solar system include the subsurface oceans of Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus. As we continue to explore and study our own solar system and the exoplanets around other stars, our understanding of the conditions necessary for life to exist and thrive will continue to grow. This knowledge will be crucial as we design and plan future space missions to search for signs of life beyond our own planet. It is an exciting time to be a part of the search for extraterrestrial life, and there is no telling what discoveries and breakthroughs may be on the horizon. One promising avenue of research in the search for extraterrestrial life is the study of extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme environments on Earth, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents or acidic hot springs. By studying these organisms, scientists hope to better understand the limits of life and the conditions necessary for it to exist. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.